Oh my god, guys, this is the radio we made. It is the smallest radio, and at the same time, I tested a minute ago. It was unbelievable, guys. Amazing. Its chip is really something. It's profound and versatile. Look at this, guys. This is the medium wave. Guys, this is really amazing. Bear in mind that we are in a closed apartment. Okay, so let's go to shortwave. Here we have the meter bands. So let's just put it on. I know we can't find anything here because let's just get the help of some small way at least. Oh my god. Oh, I like that. Look at that, guys. It is really amazing. That's 49-meter band. Oh my god. That's amazing, guys. Really amazing. So let's go to this is multiband, guys. An unbelievable small size, very effective integrated circuit, and I hope you will be all to just create like it exactly like I did when you follow my series, which I'm going to put a link on the description box for the last episode. Okay, guys, and there is only one episode left, that where we will actually explain how did we make this radius. Unbelievable, very profound and amazing actually. This is FM, guys, look at that. Because we are in a closed apartment. Oh my god, really amazing, unbelievable. Oh my god, very very beautiful, very very beautiful piece of art we made together, guys. Please watch the series. Here you can put an micro SD card and you can control an MP3 player. This is where you switch on the MP3 player. It is down, and if you want the radio to be like this, so it is a radio, multi-band radio, full multi-band radio, and MP3 player together. Amazing. This is the best radio ever.